doing, guys? As you can see, I'm not in my usual work environment. I'm with this little beaut, and we're on a hike. But I just wanted to do a short video, just to apologise for not getting as much content out as I had been previously. With deciding to do the courses a couple of weeks ago, I've been overwhelmed by the response, and so I'm preparing the room, getting that all ready for the first course, as well as trying to work, and it's just been a really busy time. So I do apologise, but I'll hopefully get back on track soon. I might only be able to do one video a week, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, the main thing I wanted to say was 1 week today is the draw for the giveaway. So if you haven't entered, get on over to the video. You'll have to scroll through. It was only about 3 or 4 videos away. Go and find it. All you have to do is leave hashtag Lockswood in the comments to be entered. Ideally, you need to be a locksmith or a locksporter to enter. Otherwise, the tools are just going to be useless to you. So let them go to someone who's actually going to use them. But yeah, get on over and get yourself entered. There's a main prize, and then there's 4 runner-up prizes as well. So you've got 5 chances to win. And I just wanted to give you a little update. I told you before that I'm on a fitness kick. Me and Sarah both doing 75 hard, 75 days, 2 exercises a day for 45 minutes, 3 hours apart, 4 litres of water, well, just under 4 litres of water a day, a US gallon, over there, a US gallon of water a day, 10 pages of an inspirational book a day. Stick to a diet of your choice. No cheat meals, and a progress picture every day, and no alcohol. So we are, and anyone that knows me knows that me and Sarah, we love a little bit of vino, or certainly in this weather we love a beer, but yeah, no alcohol. And we're on day 42, and I'm sorry, but I don't know what it is in pounds or kilos, but I've lost, actually I can work it out in pounds, but I've lost 1 stone and 12 pounds in 42 days.
But it's a mindset thing,
Yeah, like Sarah just said, it's not all about losing weight, it's about your mindset, and this has literally transformed my mindset. I am buzzing with work. Work's just gone through the roof. Decided to do the courses. I've got a couple of other things in the pipeline as well.
I was trying to do my little jump before I got to you.
We nearly died. I'm going to watch this back and see the terror on my face. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so work's rocketed. Decided to do the courses, and it's absolutely flying. And like I say, a couple of other things in the pipeline as well, which are not in the not too distant future. So yeah, it's all going fantastic. So if you're struggling, what I'm trying to say is, if you're struggling mentally, if you're struggling physically, I honestly cannot recommend, sorry, got to change arms again. I can't recommend this 75 hard enough. We've absolutely loved it, babe, haven't we?
Yeah, definitely.
What's been your best bit?
Oh, getting my fitness back. I feel so motivated again. And we've done it gently, haven't we, by just doing the walks.
Yeah.
I'm doing the walks to start with, but already we've noticed that I've just been able to run, which I've been able to do for ages, just from building up Yeah.
But we've
I
been
think
walking. We've been walking now for well over an hour. And all right, I might be a little bit out of breath, but I've got a tracker on my phone, and I'm now above average for my cardio, which before we started this, I was well below average. So
I think the not drinking as well
yeah,
has made such a difference.
Yeah.
Well, clarity.
yeah, definitely, yeah.
Being able to focus more.
So yeah, I recommend that. Right, I'm changing arms again because it keeps hurting. Right, so head on over to the video. I think from memory, the thumbnail says, who doesn't want free tools? Who doesn't like free tools? Mark Granger, the legend Mark Granger, has donated the tools. You're looking at pretty much £500 worth for the first prize. So go and check that out. And hashtag Lockswood in the description to enter. And I will be picking 5 random people next Sunday to win. Exciting, guys. Right, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care.